Okay, here's another project for you guys. We're preparing this area to go ahead and put in another wine fridge. It's a bigger one and just a little bit more convenient for what we want to do and what we want to put inside of it. So adjust these cabinets here by making space for it, as it won't fit inside as it is now. So the first thing that's going to be necessary is to go ahead and get these dividers out the way. Since the fridge is going to come over about 42 inches or so, this divider along with these dividers have to be removed, along with the rails here for the drawers. And we're going to put more drawers on this side, but it's going to be much shorter. So I'll use the existing rails for the drawers here. I'll use these rails for the drawers here. I'll have to go get more rails, and then the fridge can fit and we can continue to measure. Have the doors off at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the quarter round off the bottom. I've measured right here for the refrigerator to go inside of there, and of course it will be on the floor, so I'm taking all of that out. It has to be 24.2 inches, so that is the 24.2 inches mark. I have my circle saw, and for a clean cut, I had to go ahead and get this Irwin Marathon 7 1/4 140 teeth saw blade here. Okay, we're gonna make a clean cut. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. So the circular saw only goes so far up, there and there, right? So I'm gonna drop the hammer on it